The Essential phone is a feat of engineering in that it somehow manages to fit a 5.7-inch 2560 by 1312 display into a chassis that's not much larger. Stacked up against the Google Pixel XL, it's roughly the same size in the hand, but there's so much more screen here. Essential has taken bezel reduction to a new level. You'll find a rather small bezel chin on the bottom of the phone, but the screen nearly spills over the top of it, where you'll find the selfie camera. This feat is all the more impressive because the LCD display wraps around the front-facing camera instead of shoving it to the bottom like Xiaomi Mi Mix. That phone's nostril camera, as Essential's Andy Rubin calls it, makes for awkward selfies. Essential opted for a titanium frame, which it claims offers much higher durability and heft compared to the oft-used aluminum we see in many smartphones. This means, theoretically, it shouldn't break or bend under circumstances wherein most phones do. On the phone's outside, Essential covered it all up in ultra-glossy ceramic, which looks fantastic and feels cool to the touch, but is also inviting to your fingerprints. Around the phone's edges, Essential has cleverly implemented a green material that doubles as its antenna pass-through. While you won't find a 3.5mm headphone jack on this phone, Essential provides a USB-C to 3.5mm converter in the box. The usual assortment of volume rocker, power button and USB-C charging port make their appearance here. The tactile buttons are simple to find and have a nice click to them. The backside of the phone is as flat as the front and is so devoid of any markings that there's not even an Essential logo anywhere on the device. It's a way of Essential saying this isn't our phone, it's your phone. On our way up, there's a fingerprint sensor in an easy-to-reach location, flanked on its top by a dual-lens camera, flash and Essential's accessory connector ports, the latter of which we'll touch on below.